G'day guys, you have read that thumbnail correctly. Just by clicking on this video, we're raising money for the floods that are happening right now in Queensland. Amongst wars, COVID, and now floods, now is pretty much the best time that we can probably use our platform to do some good, raise some money, and go to a very worthy cause. As you guys might know or may not know, the way that YouTube pays us is through Google AdSense. So just by clicking on this video, you'll be donating 0.something cents. And make sure you watch through the whole ads in this video because you will be donating more money by watching through the ads. Make sure you do hit the like and drop us a comment too, because this video will then get suggested to other people and then we can raise even more money. So in a week or two's time, we'll come back to you guys and show you the tally of money that we've made from this video, and we'll be donating the whole thing to Give It, which are supporting the floods in massive ways. So we thought it's such a win-win-win situation where you guys can actually donate your time and we can give that money to charity. So anyway guys, today's video we're going to be going out in the kayak and catching a couple squid. Hopefully, if there's any squid around, we might get a few blue manners out of the pots as well. So make sure you watch the whole video guys. Just that in itself will be going such a long way to charity, and like I said, make sure you like and leave a comment below to suggest this video to other people. Anyway guys, thanks so much for clicking on this video. You're doing such a good thing. Let's go get some squid. So we probably didn't tell you, but we're in Kangaroo Island, which is pretty cool. But we're with our mates Danny and Emma from Lifestyle App, and we've nicked their kayak and they've got crab pots as well. So we've put these crab pots out here, so hopefully we get a few blue swimmers, which they are known for in this area.
We put them out, or who put the crab pots out?
Probably you.
I put the crab pots out.
Anyway, apologies for the wind guys. We do have the GoPro and it's got no mic or anything on it, and it's probably gonna get pretty windy. But yeah, hopefully we get some swimmers. Like I said before guys, make sure you watch the whole video. Even if you just leave it run in the background, you're gonna be donating as much money as you physically can, and we'll try our best to make it slightly entertaining for you. So we're coming up here to the first crab pot.
No crabs.
Oh no, no crabbies.
Damn.
So no crabs, so we're having a crack at a few squid here. Just dangling my feet off the side here to slow our drift down. Sarah's having a good time up the front here. So literally this is the first good weather we've had in probably a week of being here, I reckon. It's blue sky, but the wind's still up, and yeah, we are drifting at a fair few knots. So this little fishing expedition might not last very long because we'll end up at the other side of the island.
We're giving it our best shot. However, it's so windy that we're just drifting so fast. It's too fast to even jig, like. We're just flying and we're nearly at Kingscott. We're on the other side of the island.
Well, a couple hundred metres offshore, and we're probably fishing in a good 5-6 metres here. So it's good squid territory, but the wind is just hooking and it's taking us out to sea. So anyway guys, we're gonna have a good crack here. If we can't get anything, or if we end up in Kingscott the other side,
might be a rescue mission.
Yeah, it might be a rescue mission, but it's all for a good cause. Hopefully we get a squid and we can have a feed as well. Got a squid on here. Whoa! It's a big squid, eh? It's a big squid. Oh my god. I don't know if it just feels big because we're fishing out of a kayak, but far out. It's a good sized squid. Woo!
It's kind of stopped us from drifting through.
Oh, look at it. I don't know if you guys can see that rod. Far out. It's a good sized squid. I don't know how we're going to go not getting inked here, Sarah.
Oh, there it is.
It's a freaking monster. A lot of weight on it. It's going to ink as soon as it sees the boat. We got no gun holes to protect our legs or anything. It's just going to ink us straight on them. How cool is this? Kayaking and catching squid. Holy shit. It's huge. Oh my god.
Keelan, if you ink me, I swear to God.
Just don't drop the GoPro.
Keelan, you're pointing it at me.
Look at that for a donkey. Holy hell, how good is that?
Yum, show it closer.
That is massive. Oh.
So we've got one squid, so we're going to go check the crab pots again, see if there's any crabs on there, and also try and get back in closer because we're so far out. We probably drifted for a little bit too long. Oh, it's so wet. keep putting him in between your legs, you're gonna get bitten.
I've got to be careful not to get surprised here.
Do not put it near my head, please.
But he is an absolute dog of a crab. He is a monster. He's missing one claw, which normally means he's been fighting with another buck, and they are territorial, especially when they're on food. Look at the size of him. He's massive. All right, he's going straight in the bucket with Mr. Squid. Check that out.
Yum.
Little seafood basket for dinner. Woohoo! Got a squid. Hello, my hat.
Oh, no.
I'm drifting towards it, don't worry.
Okay, what do I do so
All
I can get...
right, drift it back towards me, I reckon. Back towards me. Keep winding, keep winding. Keep winding. Yoo-hoo! Oh no! Ah! That was bloody chaos. I lost my hat, and then Sarah had a squid. Got a squid in, try not to get inked, and I think we got inked anyway, but it's all fun. It's so sick. I've never fished out of a kayak and been actually successful. It's actually a pretty cool feeling getting it out of a small vessel. And yeah, just adds a little bit to its difficulty, I reckon. So do yourself a favour, go down to bloody Anaconda or BCF or wherever and get yourself a kayak. It's good fun.
Just casually get a kayak.
You wouldn't bloody believe it. Sarah's on again.
Oh no! Oh! Ah! What do I do?
Just bring it. Just keep going. It'll hopefully have no squid ink left. Pull the rod back towards the front of the boat. I mean the kayak. Keep coming. Keep coming. Woo! Squid for dinner, baby! Woo! Whoa! That Sarah's onto another squid.
It's huge.
Take your time.
You tell me not to move so slow.
He's massive. Looks like a freaking cuttlefish.
Maybe it is.
No, it's not. It's a massive squid. Yes. Look at the size of that.
Elk and squid.
It's got to be the colour of a jig. Oh, he's grabbing me. He's grabbing me. Oh, we just both got inked. Sarah's cramping. So we're just cruising back to pull the pots after Sarah's bloody pulled all the squid out of the ocean. And check out the chop on it. Come on. Yes! Oh, it's a big female. It's a big female crab. Sick. Oh, cool. Ew. Yeah. Look at her. She's an absolute beauty. Look at her. Big female. You can tell because their claws are a lot shorter and stumpier. With these ones, in some states you're not actually allowed to grab them, but I can tell she doesn't have any eggs. Normally their eggs sit up here and this part's really swollen. What an absolute beauty. So we're going to chuck her in the pot and happy days. Go pick the other one up as well.
Oh, damn.
Damn it!
I'm the king of seafood today.
Anything I touch, I don't catch anything. Sarah's out fish me again. Yeah. Crab's bloody holding the squid up for me. How good's that? Bloody. Oh.
Yum, those tentacles are going to be good.
This one, another massive one. Wow. Yeah, we'll fry them up tonight.
I'll show you. We've only just started eating them, and they're actually pretty good.
Look at this.
Yeah, same.
Look at that. My bad kayak mission. Yeah. I just couldn't believe this. How good's that, guys? Not bad for a kayak mission. I don't think I've ever almost bagged out on a kayak in my whole life. Anyway, thanks heaps for watching. Like I said before, to make sure you guys are donating the maximum amount to this good cause, make sure you do drop a like and a comment, and that means it'll suggest this video to someone else. We're trying to raise as much money as we can. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. The fish bloody knew that we're donating money today. How good's that? They came out for us. We're going to cook these up, and that'll be in next week's episode, but make sure you go watch this South Australian adventure. It's an absolute cracker, and we'll see you next time.